Trying to decide between N8N and Flowise for your automation needs in 2025? I've tested both platforms, and in this video, I'll compare their features, ease of use, pricing, and performance to help you choose the right one. N8N and Flowise are two powerful automation tools, but they cater to different needs. Let's break down what makes each unique and how to choose between them. N8N is like a Swiss Army knife for workflow automation. It's open source and connects to over 400 different apps and services. You can automate tasks, create complex workflows, and even run custom JavaScript or Python code when advanced logic is needed. Its visual workflow builder is flexible, but it may be challenging for beginners without a technical background. Still, N8N is highly scalable, robust, and works in both cloud and self-hosted environments. It's ideal for teams that want full control over their automation. Flowise is also open source, but focuses specifically on AI and large language model-based applications. If you're building AI chatbots, agents, or want to experiment with prompt engineering, Flowise is designed for you. Its interface is more beginner-friendly and supports quick chaining of AI components. While it doesn't offer as many general integrations as N8N, it excels at AI workflows with a low-code setup. However, Flowise isn't as strong when it comes to enterprise-level deployment or running custom code and web scraping out of the box. Here's how to decide. If you need a broad range of automation features and want to integrate multiple tools with complex logic, go with N8N. But if you're focused on LLM-based applications and want a simpler, AI-specialized platform, Flowise is the better choice. Some teams even use both, relying on Flowise for AI tasks and N8N for everything else. So between N8N and Flowise, which one is better? It really depends on your needs, but now you've got all the info to choose confidently.